Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, which is the sound speaker in your phone. SAMSUNG Galaxy A32 4G. We need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles, either soft or medium hard, so you don't scratch your phone. We need isopropyl alcohol. 100% pure, so it can loosen the hardened dirt and help it come out, and then so that it evaporates and leaves no trace behind. You can buy the whole set with these brushes and a diffuser on Allegro or Amazon. And if you can't, you can just use a regular toothbrush the same way. Just make sure it's medium or soft, not hard, because we're working on a phone. We need to have it completely turned off. If it's on, we have to turn it off completely with the switch. We soak the toothbrush with our alcohol. If you don't have such a diffuser, you can use a small container instead. In that container, we dip the toothbrush and we can start working. We turn the phone over and here we have the buzzer. These are the few holes. That's the sound buzzer. And with a steady motion in one direction, we clean it 5 times in each hole, and then do the same in the other direction, 5 times in each hole. Then sideways, once in each hole in one direction, and then the same in the other direction. So that it's cleaned very thoroughly. We repeat this process 2 to 3 times in each direction, and then the buzzer is fully cleaned. After this operation, set the phone aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and then you can use the phone normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video.